Welcome to my channel. Today we will be removing Mini Clubman R55 window motor. First step is to remove the door handle cover using plastic lever. The door handle cover has a pin at the bottom. You should release that first and then attempt to remove the cover. Now it's time to remove the puddle light from the bottom of the door card. Using plastic lever, remove the light. You may wish to disconnect it from the connector or slip it through the door card without disconnecting it. Using the plastic lever, start to disconnect the door card clips from the door. Bear in mind that the door card in the middle where there is a stereo and armrest is not removed in this step. A failing window motor can exhibit several symptoms, including noisy operation, grinding, slow or sluggish movement, total loss of movement, clunking or rattling noises, and movement only in one direction. These issues can be indicators of wear and tear, electrical problems, or mechanical damage within the window regulator system. Now, using T25, remove the 4 screws holding the window motor to the door. You should disconnect the negative battery terminal before replacing a window motor to prevent accidental electrical shocks or damage to the car's electrical system. This also helps prevent the window motor from accidentally engaging while you're working on it. Door looms were in my way while trying to remove the 4th screw, so I decided to disconnect the window motor connector. Now it's time to remove the 4th screw. Bear in mind that when removing the last screw, you should also hold the window motor as nothing will hold it. The motor gear is a tight fit to the regulator, so you should wiggle the motor to remove it. You have successfully removed your window motor. Thank you for watching. If you did like the video, please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.